I just made a big announcement. We're going to have our Lovable Sales Summit. It's going to be live September 1st through the 3rd. On day one, this is a virtual summit. On day one, we will have Find the Money, exactly where you're going to find that money that is waiting for you. This is not like visualization or anything like that. It's in fact very specific, particular ways that you can find where the money is so that you'll be prepared for day two, which is get the money. Yes, right in day two, we're already in the get the money situation. I'm going to show you how to take those lovable AI pages that you are making and turn them into actual sales so that you can have money in your account and you can make some moves and some decisions with that money. And that decision may be, hey, I want to do this a few more times. I'll make a few $1,000s and then I'll move on back to my main offer or a new offer or no offer. Or your decision could be, I'm going to do this for a while and this is going to be something that supplements what my lifestyle is. And then day three, perhaps the most important day, multiply the money. How do we do this so that it is on autopilot in some cases? In other cases, it is a flywheel or it's something that does take some effort, but once that effort is made, it is very much so a powerful leveraged operation where all you have to do is just sprinkle a little bit at the top of it and then it turns itself over and over again. The sales summit, this is the first time I've done this, by the way. I have done multiple 3-day summits, but I've never done a sales summit and certainly not one that is focused on Lovable. You have learned from me the past few months and weeks how you can go into lovable.dev, the AI platform, create a page for yourself. Use that page for sales, for internal things, dashboards, lead magnets, or sell them to other people who are not building these, do not take these lessons and know how to do it, or simply don't want to or have the time and then make money $300, $500. I've seen people charge $1,500 and upwards of $3,500, depending on what comes with the page, who they're selling to, what the value proposition is. So we'll talk all about this. We'll go in depth. You'll have me for 2 hours, 3 days of September through the 3rd. So 6 hours we're going in. You're going to want to bring something you can take notes with. You're going to walk out each day with something to do to make happen for yourself the next day. And then we're going to walk away from this summit with money in our pockets. That is the big goal. Okay. I'm very excited about this. You know, I get excited about a lot of things, but I only show you the things that I know will help you. I have way more ideas than this, if you believe it or not, but I only show you the things that have been proven to help or that I think will help. Lovable, the Lovable Income Challenge is where you're going to find this summit. So the summit is not a new product that is separate from that. If you are already in the Lovable Income Challenge, this comes with that for free. You just joined the Lovable Income Challenge. I'm keeping it at $199 for a few more days. That's the discounted price, $199, down from $999. And you come in, you immediately have access to all of the training in the challenge. And then this is a bonus that I've just announced moments ago. So if you want to join the Lovable Income Challenge, you will just look below in the description or the pinned comment. You can go to that checkout page. And in most cases, you will have even payment plan options for you through Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, etc. All right. Hope you're having a great day. I cannot wait to see you September 1st through 3rd. I'm going to be there. About 100 of my friends are going to be there from the Lovable Income Challenge. I highly recommend you take a look at this and think about what you want your September 2026 to look like at the end of the month. Do you want it to look like it does right now? Or do you want to have a new skill, a new income stream, and a new confidence to make it happen?